So this week I built, I call it a table slash lamp, kind of a take on the old 70s side tables, where they'd have a magazine rack on the bottom, a tabletop here, and a lamp up higher. Basically, this is something I've had brewing in my mind for a while. I had these flywheels, I had a couple cams. All I needed was a crank. All the stuff I picked up from work over the past year or so. Finally the other day somebody was throwing away a crank. It wiped out one of the flange areas on there. So this is what I built right away. I had the idea in my head. And I finished it all off with the angle grinder, just hitting it like this. Scuffed it up, top and bottom. Let me go ahead and plug it in for you real quick. So I was originally going to put LEDs inside the basket here, but I thought this just gave it a much better look. This old school style bulb, it's not too bright, it's just about perfect. I think the LEDs would have been too bright, but before we go any further, I'm not a professional welder. I know a lot of my welds aren't that good. But other than that, want to see how I made it? Stick around, watch it. Like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. No, what? I'm a bitch. That's it. There. What's your current that's because power can reach on the wheel again? Oh yeah. Here.